Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday we said that market shows some signs of the upward continuation, and we will keep an eye on area between the 1450 and 15 even area levels where market maybe could show some reaction, because by the technical analysis, the market hits the major targets on the monthly chart, especially it should show some response. Sometimes of course it happens when the market passes through the targets without no response, but this usually tells about the exceptional strength on the market and some very strong driving factors that put price higher. Well, currently, despite that rally stands very fast, we can't say that's outstanding. It's very unstoppable or something of that sort. Yes, it's strong, but taking in consideration that in fact this is the first significant upside action since starting of the upward action in general, right from the lows after the long-term bear trend, we still suggest that some response here should happen. Potentially, guys, the area where this should happen stands at the 15 even 1530 area, because if you'll take a look at the monthly chart, recall our big butterfly that we have here. This monthly chart. So these lines we don't need it anymore. That's our butterfly. As you can see, left wing, right wing. When we talked about the 1450 area, this was also target of this butterfly. But 1618 extension of the same butterfly will stand. This was 127 1450, but 1618 is 1530. Market is not at ever bottom on the monthly chart, and this is just $15 till this target. I'm not sure that definitely this will happen. The market will hit this target first before retracement, because overall situation for retracement stands strong, because market, as you can see, is overbought on the daily, on the weekly chart. It's also 1618 extension butterfly on the weekly. Market stands in strong overbought area, as I said. On the daily, it's also overbought. So maybe it is possible that we will go to the 1530, but until this has happened, we have to analyze the stops that we already have and keep an eye on what will happen. For example, today I would like to show the setup on the 4-hour time frame chart. In fact, in today's update, we need only this picture so you understand what's is going on here. So take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart. We have good background for the chart Napoli double repo sell pattern right around 15 even area, because market has completed tactical ABC bottom pattern. So XOP target has been hit. This is very good thrusting action stance, and we have the first retracement back down below the 3x3 moving average. So here we could get the first close below 3x3, then we should get close above the 3x3, then close below again. In this case it will be double repo pattern, double repo sell. As you know, the double repo sell can't fail. So in fact, because the failure double repo is also the directional pattern, this is not just the failure of the trade, the erasing of the previous setup, but it works as the separate setup, different setup in opposite direction. That's why the double repo pattern is very useful, so because it could show as direct signal for the downward action, but if it will fail, it shows you also the signal, but as a continuation pattern. In this case, if we will see the failure double repo sell, that will be clear signal that market probably will proceed higher to the 1530 target on the monthly chart. That's actually what we will keep an eye on today's session. Probably if you will drop time frame more to the hourly chart, you could get different thrusting stops. So here you could use this thrust as well on the lower time frame, but it's too short term for our analysis, for our update. We are watching mostly for a daily, and 4-hour time frame setups that corresponds by the time frame to our updates. 2 short-term setups are not suitable for us because it demands very fast trading, and we just will not be able to cover it in our updates. So that's why currently we are watching mostly on the setup that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. So that being said, in the current situation, we are watching for 2 moments. First of all, we are watching for a direct double ripple sell pattern, because it might trigger the downward reaction as market stands at the resistance as well right now. If somehow we will get the double ripples fail instead, that will be the clearest signal that market should proceed higher to the 1530 monthly 1618 butterfly target. So that's 2 moments that we will keep an eye on the gold market right now.